Hi, it's Kozue. I found these at Seria, skin down clips. I've been skipping skin down lately because it felt like too much trouble, but these might make it easier, so I picked them up. There are 10 clips in one pack, but using them all? How would you do your nails with these clips on your fingers? All the clips are the same size, but even my thumbs fit comfortably, so no problem using them on any finger. I wipe off any excess moisture with ethanol first, then I clip the skin down before applying the base coat. The inside of the clips has ridges like this. They help prevent slipping, so the clips stay in place easily. Today's base coat is Nail Envy by OPI. It helps press down the size of the nail, so it's easier to apply. I was a bit worried it might hurt, but as long as you don't wear it for 2 or 3 hours, it's totally fine. Sometimes the edge of the clip touches my hand while I'm painting. It might get a little in the way. When I used the clip on my pinky, I angled it slightly. That made it easier to fit. Oh wait, there are 10 clips in the pack, but I only ever use one at a time. If I clip more than one finger at a time, the clips tend to bump into the polish bottle while I'm working. Switching the clip between fingers isn't really a hassle, so in the end, I only need one. 10 clips in one set, that's such a good deal. I've finished applying the base coat. I'll let it dry for about 5 minutes. Next, I'm using Playful number 19, Apricot. This shade is spot on for Halloween. It's such a cute and cheerful color, and it has a fine shimmer too. For my pinky and the index finger, I'm using PA Nail Color Premium E16. It has even finer shimmer than the Playful polish I used earlier. This color works great for Halloween, but also for fruit-inspired nails like persimmons. Whoops, I forgot to clip the skin down. Letting it dry for 7 minutes. Then I apply the second coat. Honestly, it's starting to look just like a persimmon. Do you do skin down when painting your nails? I used to use washi tape for it, but sticking it on every time was too much trouble, so I stopped it. My nails are the kind that sink into the skin a bit, so skin down makes a big difference when painting, especially on my dominant hand, the right one. This clip is honestly great. It works so well. I really like it. I'll let this dry for 7 minutes. Next, I'm using PA Nail Color S75 and Premium E16 to give my thumb and ring finger a dark Halloween-inspired look. Whoops! This turned out a bit darker than I expected, so I'm layering a pink polish on top to soften it. The shimmer in the pink polish really did a great job. I added just a touch of purple at the end. I'll do something similar on the ring finger, adding a bit of darkness to the upper left corner. My silicone mat is getting really messy. Before putting the brush back into the bottle, I quickly wipe it on the silicone mat. I'll let it dry for about 5 minutes, then I'll do lots of stamping. I'm mixing PA nail color S27 with a top coat I got from Temu to lighten the shade before stamping. The stamping plate is from Allergies. The stamper I'm using is from Temu. I'm stamping this circle as a little moon. There's a tiny bump in it, probably an air bubble. I use a craft knife to poke a small hole and let the air out, and then it looked nice and smooth. Now I'm stamping with a plate from CanDo and the super pigmented stamping polish I got at Walmart in Hawaii. I took the silicone part from a Seria's stamper and attached it to an acrylic stamping base from Daiso. This stamper picks up small detailed designs the best. Now I'm stamping with another plate from CanDo. I'm stamping the same grave design again. Now I'm using yet another plate from CanDo. This time I'm stamping bats. I'm using stamping polish I got from Temu to add a few hand-drawn details. Now I'm stamping on the ring finger. This time I'm using a slightly smaller circle than the one on my thumb to create a little moon. After stamping a jack-o'-lantern, I'm adding another grave design. And again, I'm adding a few lines using the stamping polish I got from Temu. The stamp design I used earlier is too big for this finger, so I'm going to try drawing two little birds by hand. I can't quite get the sharp bat wings right, so I went with a black seagull shape instead. I hope it still looks like a bat. These are not smudges, they are bats. Now I'm using another plate from CanDo, stamping a spider web design on my middle finger. I'm going to outline my index nail in black. The stamping polish I used earlier dries too fast, so I mixed PS sheer black top coat with some thinner to make it easier to work with. I'm outlining the nail with a wavy, uneven line on purpose. Oh, this is exactly when I should be using that clip. Ah, it's starting to dry. Ah, it's getting a bit messy now. Now I'm applying Bon Pretty's non-smudge top coat oil over the stamped nails. I added a rhinestone and studs to this nail. After letting it dry for about 7 minutes, I'm applying Parado's gel top coat. I tilted the bottle with blue tack. After letting it dry for over 3 hours, I'm finishing with the second top coat, Sachet Vide. I skipped a little in the video. After letting the Parado gel top coat dry for over 3 hours, I'm finishing with Sachet Vide. All done! This design might look cute with a matte top coat too. Here's my right hand. On the middle finger, I stamped this pattern from the Bon Pretty plate. I skipped the purple polish on my right hand, just felt too lazy. Here's a look at both thumbs side by side. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!